Did you know you can completely rearrange the Quick Settings panel and layout on your Pixel 11? Here's how to customize it in seconds. Latest Android 17 QPR2 Beta 3 update added new customization settings for Pixel Quick Panel. Let's see it. How to customize Quick Panel in Google Pixel 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro XL. Swipe down twice from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap the Edit icon below the Quick Panel tiles. You'll see all available Quick Settings tiles. Tap on tiles to increase or decrease the size. Press and hold a tile, then drag it to your preferred position. Move your most used options, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, airplane mode, or Do Not Disturb, to the top. If additional tiles are available, swipe through the bottom list and tap plus icon to add them into the top of the Quick Settings. Go back and automatically save your Google Pixel Quick Settings panel. Customize Quick Settings layout on Pixel 11 series. You can reorder layout for Media Player, Quick Settings, tiles, or brightness slider. Open the Quick Panel and tap Edit icon. Tap Layout in the bottom. Drag the menu you want to change the layout in Quick Settings tiles on Google Pixel devices. Swipe down the notification panel twice to view changes in your Pixel phone. Do you like the new Quick Settings customization on the Pixel 11, and which shortcut will you move to the top? Tell us in the below comment section.